Welcome back to Mehl's Mountain Garage. This is part one of a three-part video series at my dad's place. So he's got a bunch of old cars in a lot better shape than mine are. They're all pretty much all restored. Part one, which you're going to see here in a bit, is with his 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible. It's the soft top convertible, not the hard top. We're going to dig into his old place, get that Ford running, to get to the next car, which is a 57 Chevy Belair Convertible, soft top. And once we get that car, that'll be part two. We're going to go to part three of the video where we're getting the 1955 Chevy 210 out. So there's way too much footage to put in one video. It'd be an awful long video, freaking an hour and a half long. So I want to break it up into three parts. And it's just me and my brother and my dad farting around with these cars, trying to get them going. Hit the comments. Hit the likes, hit the unlikes. I mean, let me know what you guys think. We'll definitely have some more of them. There's been a lot of the 55 on my Instagram at Mehl's Mountain Garage. And yeah, check them out and follow along as we try and get these things running. And they haven't run in years. I mean, you know, 8, 9, 10 years, the 55 especially. So my brother and I are in a truck, Shrek, with our car trailer, on my way to my dad's to go dig out
the 55.
His 55 Chevy. But we've got to move a couple cars to get to it.
Cool cars.
Yeah.
I like it.
He doesn't even know we're coming. Like, I want to try and like convert, fucking whatever, what do you call it? Covertly hold the phone. to get his reaction. Because he doesn't know we're coming to move all his shit to get this car out.
Even though I've talked to him about it twice, he just seems to not be in a rush. So kind of forcing his hand a little bit here.
Yeah, so a little bit more to follow. So we're at my pops here, Gray Bushes, this old place, damn son, and we're going to start moving some of the stuff out to get to a couple prizes.
Looking at this now, it's crazy. We built a lot of hot rods in this little garage. We did.
Get a picture of my beard because I ain't gonna have it in too much longer.
There's the old man right there. Great beard. Master mechanic.
Man, the Bader mechanic.
Yep. So
I was thinking about that the other day. Like, man, I can't believe how much stuff we built in that little 1.5 car garage.
I know.
Deuce on the porch. When I was working on
I did the convertible in the driveway.
the 57
Right here.
started out in the basement. The Ford.
Oh, he's giving it away.
I was in the basement.
Start moving shit around. It's gonna be.
All right, there's the first car.
Your brother died. Reason, well, you know the story behind that, right?
Today's a happy day. There it is.
Old girl's dirty.
Girl needs a bath.
This is his 57 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible, soft top. 392, automatic. Filthy, but completely restored. And it hasn't run in years, so we're trying to get it going. I'm making a YouTube video out of it too. Interior's nicey nice, all done. Again, it's just dirty. Fender skirts, dual antennas.
I got skirts, but there's 2 upstairs. Yeah? Ate it up and everything.
Are you going to put
Then you got throttle, Keith? Jesus.
Hold the sleeve. It's out of adjustment a little bit.
Open the throttle up. All right, so we jumped from the 56 to the 57. We're going to try and keep, I'm going to try and keep these videos in chronological order. Can't promise anything. But after some troubleshooting, cleaned the points, had a stuck secondary fuel ball float, and then come to realize the wire here from the starter solenoid, this brown plug, runs through the ignition coil distributor, and it was loose and dirty. Wiggle it around, and she fired pretty much right up. Go ahead, brother.
Ready?
Yep. Bam! He starts right up. Holy shit. So there's the 392.
Where's that? Seen it.
Holley equipped.
292.
Or 292, I'm sorry.
Pour that 30 over.
Say 30 over 292.
Yeah.
It was that out of a T-Bird, that motor, Pop?
No, I just have a junkyard.
Oh, no shit. Keith said he saw one somewhere.
Could be any fucking place.
looking for Dad's wing nut for the air cleaner.
Oh.
She needs a bath, but she's a beautiful car. Runs great.
Oh yeah, we'll get it out on the road here. You guys can appreciate it.
I gotta find the wing nut there, Dad, for your air cleaner.
Just let us find it if we saw it. Hold on a minute.
I seen it.
That's gas. You don't listen. Don't hit the brakes too hard. Look at that thing. Yeah. All right, guys, back to Mountain Garage. It's like take 4, believe it or not, because I'm a Momo. Got my brother over here.
I just realized what you just said.
But the 57 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible soft top is running. Reduced it down a little bit with the garden hose just to get all the years of built up dirt. Looking for a wing nut for the air cleaner, but that's what that rattling is you hear. But it runs good. Runs good, starts good. Ultimately the problem I had was a starter solenoid. On these Fords, old points cars, you got a wire that feeds the points coil. And I just had to clean it off a little bit and we got it going. Carb needed some work, but it's done. We'll be seeing a 56 later. Shit, yeah, we're driving it. My brother's driving it. It's got a hell of a vibration going on.
Sure does.
It's got to be in a drive shaft or something. We're running down to the gas station to go get some gas. We're going to go grab some beer. I hope the wheels are all tight. That could be the rear even. You know what I mean? Look at this guy. Look at this guy cheesing like a motherfucker. He still ain't even driving the car we came to get.
This thing flawless so much.
Just remember, man, it's all fucking drum brakes and everything. All right, I hope you liked that video. That is a really nice car, really clean car. Hopefully we'll get some of it in the future. Knowing my dad is probably going to sit and just get started up once a month. But it does still need a little bit of work. The tailpipe rattles real bad. The carburetor needs to be rebuilt, and there is some noise in the rear diff. I recall him saying that he had some issues with it, so we'll try and get that sorted out. But check out the links here, up top or bottom, wherever I figure out where to put them, for part 2, and part 2 is the 56 Chevy Belair Convertible. So you're going to like that. There was a lot more problems with it. We ran into some pretty huge deals with the engine getting it going. But check it out and then follow that along. That might be a little bit longer. And try and follow the series along. Check out my Instagram. Keep checking back for videos. I'm trying to get them a little bit sooner, but it's the holidays and I've been super busy with work. So I'll get some videos as I can and hopefully they'll just get better.